Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to finally be sitting down, or well, technically talking over a video to welcome you here. I've been wanting to start making long form content for this channel for such a long time, so it honestly feels a little surreal to finally have a video up. And I'm not gonna lie, I've definitely been overthinking it for way too long, so I decided to just start. So on this channel, I'll be sharing lifestyle content from days and weeks in my life, to travel, to what I eat in a day, and also lots of seasonal content because I love celebrating Christmas, Halloween, fall. And for today's video, I'm just taking you along for a pretty simple day. I just started by resetting my apartment a little bit, tidying up the kitchen, and folding some clothes before making a lunch. I've been diagnosed with SIBO, so cooking and figuring out what to eat has been a little discouraging at times. I'm still trying to find a balance and make cooking enjoyable again, so you'll probably see a bit of that along the way too. It looks so bland, and it kinda is because I can't use a lot of spices at this time, but it's basically one of the only meal that does not bloat me or that I can digest properly. After lunch, I got ready to see my dad, and we spent some time together walking by the lake. I don't know about you guys, but during these heat waves I really had to force myself to put on makeup. I usually hate having makeup sitting on my face all day when it's this hot, but the products I use here actually hold up pretty well, so I just try to motivate myself to look a little more put together despite the heat. On my way home, I stopped to get a little treat because, obviously, I found these chocolate-covered raspberries and they were so good. They were 750 Swiss francs though, which is kind of insane for a little box of raspberries, but honestly, they were delicious. Then I came back home and had a quiet, relaxing evening. And that's pretty much it for today's vlog. Nothing crazy, but I wanted my first video to just be a little glimpse into my everyday life. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!